Creep up, aim, I'm bussin'. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it.
Alrighty, what's going on, guys? It's Mitch. Today we're looking at something a little bit different. You can see it here. It's a little luxy, little luxy. My car is currently still getting the SAS done. I'll tuck a few photos in here of the process so far. And it's not looking like I'll get it back until next weekend. So that's a whole week without the car, whole week without possible content, unless we use this little bad boy. So this here is a little 1/18 scale. It's actually an 80 series Land Cruiser. It's a little crawler. Solid axles locked. We're just going to drive this around. I put a poll up on my Instagram asking if people wanted to see videos of this, and it was overwhelmingly positive. So we're going to do a little video. We're not turning into an RC channel, just want to let you know. But while my car's out of action, we have this little bad boy to play with. So I think today I'm going to set up a few courses in the backyard with some scrap that I have and see what we can do. And then maybe in another video, if you guys are keen, we can actually take it out to Glass House and take it through Big Red, Little Red, see if it'll actually make it up the top. Now that would be insane, but yeah, if you guys want to see that, drop a comment down below. Without further ado, I'll take you through this car so you can have a bit more of a closer look at it, and then we'll get straight out the back and have a bit of a drive. Alright, so what we have here is the car in all of its little 1/18 scale glory. Obviously I've put the stickers all over it so that it looks like my car, and I've made these custom bars all around the side for it as well. So as you can see, I literally just took a Dremel and cut it into a ute, so it somewhat resembles what my car used to look like. I had another antenna here, but it broke off too many times. Made some roof racks for it. In here is where the receiver and battery is. The battery's right in the back here, and there's also a switch to go on and off. So that's on. It's searching for a transmitter, that's why it's flashing. But yeah, it has headlights, and it also does have brake lights. And indicators, but I've unhooked the indicators because whenever you turn left or right, the indicators would try to go, and it would just get pretty annoying pretty quick. So as you can see here, we have got solid axles, 4-link suspension, front and rear, which is pretty nice. Coilover shocks, except they're not oil filled, they're just sort of spring loaded. So there's a lot of bounce in it, but you can fill them with oil, which I might do at some point. But yeah, chassis mounted servo so that it doesn't move with the diff, which is nice. Got some good angles on there too. And these tires, for being quite a cheap car, there's no foams inside, so it's just the rubber holding it together. So you need to feel it in order to understand it. In compared to the scale of the car, there is a lot of articulation there. And it is like a crawler, so it's meant to be slow. The reason I bought this smaller one was actually because I wanted to see if I'd enjoy it. Because I wanted to get a 1/10 scale, which is quite a bit bigger, but they're obviously a lot more expensive. Without any more hesitation, let's get out the back. I'll probably just put some music over the driving. Let's get out there and have a bit of fun.